go to bed for a while.
All right, I'm kicking them out. Thanks, guys, for your help.
Yeah. You're very welcome, Mike. Very, very welcome.
That's a beam.
Hey, don't forget your stuff.
That's a beam. Taped. Yep, that's taped. Well, at least it's duct tape. That's a beam on the coupe. Oh yeah. That's actually pretty embarrassing. We had to clear some branches.
Everything off in there?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Clear out some branches, so the guys came over and helped me out and laughed at me as I bled to death all over the place.
That's freaking great, man, having that like that. That is great.
1 minute. Oh, there's that dirt that they helped me bring in. A bunch of dirt, and then we're gonna cut these in half probably in the next couple days. That'll be our planters. But yeah,
Looking good.
it's a beam on a coupe. Oh, I'm a nerd.